For the first time in its 171-year history, San Diego Unified School District has a Latina superintendent. Dr. Fabi Bagula has been acting superintendent for the past year, but today the school board made it official.
NBC7's Allison Ash is in University Heights this afternoon. Sounds like quite a celebration out there, Allison.
Yeah, quite a party they had out here on the lawn at headquarters of the district. It was complete with tacos and mariachis after the official swearing in of Dr. Bagula. Dozens of people sang her praises. They said she was innovative and an empathetic educator who always goes the extra mile to make sure that kids get the very best education.
A loud round of applause and a new nameplate for San Diego Unified Superintendent Fabi Bagula. A warm welcome for an educator who spent most of her adult life in the San Diego Unified School District as a teacher, a coach, a principal, deputy superintendent, and until today, acting superintendent.
Dr. Bagula leads with love and wisdom. In my experience, it is rare to find a leader who possesses both deep academic expertise and a heartfelt commitment to students, staff, and the broader community.
I've worked with 8 different school superintendents. I can honestly say no one was more ready and more qualified to be the next permanent superintendent than Bobby is.
Bagula grew up in San Diego, but like so many students in the district, has strong ties to Mexico. In an interview with NBC7 before her appointment, she talked about why that's important.
This gives you a really beautiful leadership skill set to be able to navigate 2 very different cultures and then be able to be the bridge in between.
Bagula's appointment comes with some baggage. She was the deputy superintendent to Lamont Jackson, who was fired amid sexual misconduct allegations. There were claims that she looked the other way, claims she denies.
I wasn't involved, and that was also investigated. It was cleared. I've been doing this job for a year now, so I was not involved.
She told us her work in the district speaks for itself, and if people still don't trust her experience and integrity,
I think that they can look at everything that I've done for this last year and make a decision for themselves.
That crisis behind her, Bagula has worked to narrow the district's budget gap and ensure that everyone in the school environment feels, in her words, safe, valued, and supported. The vote was unanimous to give Fabi Bagula the district's top job.
I love our children. I love education. And I know deeply, fully, that it is my job to make their dreams come true. So let's do that together, con corazón, con caridad y con mucho compromiso. Los quiero mucho. Thank you so much. Gracias.
Bagula was moved to tears several times during her confirmation as superintendent, and she gave us just a little bit of a hint about test scores, saying she is now seeing gains in results. Reporting live outside San Diego Unified headquarters, Allison Ash, NBC7.